Lost your Clash of Clans progress and found an SBACKUP file? This is your Supercell game data backup, and getting it restored could save hundreds of hours of gameplay. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through the recovery process. Our ultimate goal is to simplify the process by leveraging the advanced capabilities of one SCBACKUP file inspection software that works reliably across numerous file types. SCBACKUP files are game backup files from Supercell mobile games, including Clash of Clans, Clash Royale, and Brawl Stars, containing player progress-based layouts, troop levels, and account data. They store complete game state information for backup and device transfer purposes. Supercell SCBACKUP files use a proprietary compressed format, storing player profile data, village or arena, state resource counts, achievement records, and Supercell ID linkage information. The backup is tied to the player's Supercell ID account for authenticated restoration. The standard opener for SBACKUP is known to be Clash of Clans Josh Heyday, developed by Supercell. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows lacks support for proprietary backup containers, so a matching backup program is required. Start by right-clicking the SBACKUP file and selecting Open with. Test Clash of Clans. Heyday first if it's installed. If you don't find it, pick any other option. Some SBACKUP files are very particular about the opener. If the SBACKUP file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. When the file won't budge, the error is typically related to three simple things. Use the following checklist to quickly identify the issue that persists. First, connecting Supercell ID. Open your Supercell game and navigate to Settings, then Supercell ID. Sign in with the account associated with the SBACKUP file. The game syncs your progress from the cloud backup automatically. If transferring devices, ensure both devices use the same Supercell ID login. Next, restoring game data. On a new device, install the Supercell game from the App Store or Google Play. Launch the game and sign into your Supercell ID when prompted. Select Load to restore the backed up game progress. The SBACKUP data transfers your complete player profile, including levels, resources, and achievements. Finally, troubleshooting, restore issues. If restoration fails, verify your Supercell. ID credentials are correct. Check your internet connection as Cloud Sync requires stable connectivity. Contact Supercell in-game support through Settings, then Help and Support, if the backup appears corrupted or the account link is broken. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.